guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with some nail tips here. These are just the nail tips, not the nail tips, the colors from the Model 1's gel polish. I did a review on them. I don't know if it's going to be before or after this video, but it's from the Retro Lady collection. So it's just the baby blue, and I call this teddy bear brown. They didn't really have a name, but this was the collection right here. So I will leave that down below. And the plate I'm going to be using is this gorgeous ZJoy plate. It's ZJoy Plus 058. And it just has some really beautiful, cute little images, like a teddy bear pulling the sleigh with his little teddy bear in there. Some writing. It says, "Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay." We got some silhouette of trees with deers. Some like hanging stockings, bows, gingerbread men. I love that. That is so cute. Look at that. We got some snowflakes. Love this tree with the dove up there. Let's see. We got the house. We got the girl on the moon. And I like these because I love these hearts. These will be probably ones I use like all year round and stuff. But like they got a lot of beautiful like holiday stuff. And then they also have things that you can use like all year round too. We got the teddy bear and skis. We got the snowmen like caroling. Some deers. Christmas presents. Candles. A girl swinging. Peace, love. We got a fountain. The church. So really beautiful. This looks like a carousel. Have a nice day. So I'm just going to get into it. And here, let me fix this because I'll be down here and you won't be seeing me doing anything. So let me take this protective film off. So I got some colors here I think I might be using. And here is the point stamper I always use. See how it's got the hard back on it you can't take off? That's why I always stick them on like the open backs here. But for right now, let's just get started and let's see what we're going to do here. You know what? I'm going to stamp this tree right here.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, richly God has decked thee. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I got some beautiful images off of the ZJoy plate. I didn't even think they were going to come out this well, honestly. I had different ones in mind. I was going to do this flower and kind of like extend the leaves out onto other ones, but everything just ended up doing different stuff. I was going to actually do a different snowflake too. I think it was gonna be this one down here, but I ended up doing another one here. I know it's really light because it's baby blue, and then I used white. Put a little bit of glitter on the bottom of it, and then on here I put some of that like sugar glitter as like the snow, because he's got skis. I hope I didn't cover the skis up. No, not really. But our little, hold on, let's focus in here. Oop. And then our little teddy bear here is skiing, and I put some sugar glitter here. So that's really cute. Love it. Really like that one. Here we got the tree with the snow on it, and again I put some glitter over it. It just looks iridescent. But that's our tree with our little bunny sitting in front of it. Come on. The glitter just... my camera doesn't like when glitter's there because it doesn't know where to focus. Then we got some red birds up on top. I forgot what red birds are. Robins? Or is those... no, those are blue jays, the blue ones. But, yeah, those came out really beautiful. And then this kind of was supposed to be together, so I just made him there. And then I put the second part of it on this nail. Again, I just put a little bit of glitter, sugar glitter on there. Here too, just a little bit on the side. Give a little something sparkly too. And because the nail was already brown, I colored him in like a gold brown. It was just this color from Maniology. It's called Magic Hour. B229. I don't know. I might have got this in like that kit where you send off for it and you just have to pay for shipping. And then you get like a stamping plate, 2 polishes, or 3, or something like that, or 1. I don't know. I don't remember. It was so long ago. But here is our teddy bears. Then I just put a couple snowflakes around it, and then up here I put a couple ornaments. So yeah, and actually that image is right here. You see how it's like together, but I had to split it up because that whole image wouldn't have fitted. Maybe if I would have went sideways, but I just decided to go and make it out of 2 nails. So, and these were the nails that I got out of the set, or out of this plate, I should say. And I think it came out really beautiful. Really like them. I really love this one at the end. I even think this one's very beautiful. And I love how the tree looks iridescent with these glitters I used. I'll try to put the ones that I got. I'll try to look for them. I think I have the right ones because I did a sugar nail sweater weather, and I used these 2, but I used this one on the corner here, and I think I used this one. I used 2 of them. I used this the first time, and then I did a second layer, and I used that one because it really didn't have no glitter in it. It was just basically like white, kind of like a snow almost. So yeah, I got this at Aliexpress and just had a bunch of different ones, so I really liked it. See how that's got like a green iridescent to it? I think that's the one I put over the tree. It was one of these 2. And that's why it came out looking kind of like that. And I didn't go over it. Actually, what I did was I did a matte. Didn't really care for it, so I went back over it with top coat. And then I just stuck my finger in the... what is on my nail? There. I went over it with the I just stuck my finger in the glitter and kind of just tapped it and then cured it. So it's just kind of stuck onto the top coat. And then this really wasn't the glitter. This was just this beautiful funky fingers from Five Below. It's the I literally can't. Like, I literally can't, but I literally can't. And it is so gorgeous. They have another one that's kind of like white, but this was the other one. And I kind of just filled it in because there was a little bit of an opening with this one. But yeah, so those are the nails I got from the plate. Hope you guys like them. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will leave everything I used down below in the description box. Hope to see you guys back real soon. Stay safe out there. Have a wonderful evening. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys back real soon. Bye.